Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in Euro USD currency pairs. I'll be starting my analysis from the weekly time frame to lower time frame and will be sharing you the support and resistance levels. Request you to note these levels and use it as a reference for entering and exiting your trades. Let us start with the analysis. Here I am in weekly time frame now. When we look at the price action, it was on a very nice bullish trend and made a trend reversal and retraced. Again it started its bullish trend. When we look at the retracement level, we will draw a trend line over here. When we see it here, it has not retraced to the same level where it started its bullish trend. So from this we know that the current price action is in a bullish trend when we analyze it from the weekly time frame. But when we look at the bullish uptrend level also, you can notice that it has not retraced to the previous high level also. The price got rejected at this level and a bearish trend has started. It tried two times to go on a bullish side, but it couldn't retain the bullishness and a trend reversal had happened. Currently the price action is in a very nice bearish trend, and since we know that it has formed a very nice double top pattern, I am expecting it to retrace up to this support level, which is around 1.10267. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. So we already know from the weekly time frame that the current price action is in a very nice bearish trend and it is trading within a downtrend channel pattern. And at this level, when you notice it, it is under a consolidation. The price action is trading within the support level of 1.11882 and resistance level of 1.13755. It is a range bound market or a sideway market for now. But from the weekly time frame, we know that the current price action is on a bearish trend. So we can expect the current price action to break the support level of 1.11882 and continue its bearish trend. Now it is gathering momentum to continue its bearish trend. And within this consolidation also, I am drawing a channel pattern. You can notice that it is on a bullish trend within this support and resistance level. But still it couldn't break this resistance level. Every time it tests this resistance level, we are seeing the market to bounce back. And if the market continues to trade within this channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. But since we know that the overall trend is on the bearish side, I am expecting it to have a trend reversal when it reaches this resistance area and to bounce back and trend on the bearish side. Currently the market looks on a bullish side within this support and resistance level. So these are all the support and resistance levels in daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now. As we already know, the current market is in a bullish trend within this channel pattern. You can notice that it has gone up, retraced back, again taken support on this channel pattern and has gone on a bullish trend and tested this resistance line of the channel pattern and bounced back. And currently when we look at the retracement level also, it came down to the level of 1.123, but next time when it retraced, it didn't retrace to the previous low also. So currently the price action is in a bullish trend within this support and resistance level. So you can draw trend lines like this, the green color line, to understand which direction the price action is moving. And within this also, it has formed a very nice double bottom pattern and taken resistance on this trend line. We can expect the market to reverse back because we know that this trend line will be acting as a resistance level for now. So I am expecting a trend reversal. But as long as the current price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, the bullish trend will continue. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame, and you can notice that it has formed a red color candle. I am expecting a trend reversal from this point. Even if it goes on the upper side, we can expect a trend reversal at this level, because it has already completed its W pattern or the double bottom pattern. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now, and we already know that the current price action is moving within this support and resistance level, and it was on a very nice bullish trend. From here it started its bearish trend, again it started its bullish trend. So you can draw trend lines like this, the directional lines like this, to understand the direction of the market. So we have the green color resistance line from the hourly time frame. It is acting as a resistance line for the current price action also, because previously also we have noticed the price getting rejected at this point and retracing. Again it has bounced back. Again we can expect the retracement to come. But overall, when we notice the price action, it is in a bullish trend within this bullish channel pattern. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame, and the price action has completed forming this double bottom or the W pattern, and it is on a retracement. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. Here when we notice the price action, it was on a very sharp uptrend, then it formed a very nice double bottom, then it started its bullish trend. Here we can notice a double top pattern being formed or the M pattern being formed. So we can expect the trend reversal to happen and retrace back to the previous low. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. Even though I am assuming that current price action is on a retracement, you have to keep in mind that current price action is trading within a bullish channel pattern. So we can expect a bounce back when it tests this support level. As long as the price action is trading within this channel pattern, it is still a bullish trend. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button to show your support and share this video with your friends.